Insights Media.
The founders of a non-governmental organization, Emi-Kola Afolabi Foundation, Prince James and Mrs. Lucy Afolabi, have called on Nigerians and other non-government organizations to ensure unity of Nigeria, stating that political period has gone and the time for rebuilding and togetherness has come. The duo make the call on Monday while their foundation distributed food items to 21 orphanages, correctional centers, and schools of special needs in Osun State. He urged individuals that for the growth of a state, everyone must imbibe the virtue of togetherness and not be politically or religiously driven.
Emi-Kola Afolabi Foundation inviting people to come and join us. We said the aim of asking them is, first of all, for togetherness. And second reason is sharing. This is very necessary in Nigeria, especially these days when we need non-governmental organizations, a multiplication of them, like ours, who are non-political. They not belong to any politics, but they are the focus which can bring together in Nigeria people without bias for politics or partisan politics. And therefore, what we need most in Nigeria now is togetherness. Politics will go. Before politics came, we were together. Muslims, Christians, traditional religionists. And now that politics is getting over, we should learn to come together.
Mrs. Afolabi explained that the recent challenges facing Nigerians are the motivating factors behind the gesture.
The situation in the country, no cash crunch, no food, no poverty is all over the place. So that is why we try to say, well, let's reach out to the orphanage homes, the prisons, the physically challenged institutions, and let's privilege the communities around here.
Some of the beneficiaries spoke with Insilinks TV.
Say a big thank you, a big thanks to the entire foundation of Emi-Kola Foundation for their generosity and for them being sensitive to the needy.
Àfọpẹ́yìn àtọ́lá tó go fún orúkọ Olúwa. A sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Emi-Kola fún ìrántí tí wọ́n rántí wa fún àwọn olùbírí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n gbé fún wa ní December. A dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run yóò jẹ́ kí wọ́n dàgbà kí wọ́n darúgbó ẹ̀mí wọn ó gùn nínú ọlá àti ìdẹ̀ra.
Insilinks TV had earlier reported that the foundation had empowered less privileges with incentives, conducted free health checkups to people in a way to assisting them with a better life. From Oshogbo, Modipelashomi, Insilinks TV.
Insights Media.